This is the very first low roof interpretation of our bold and pure design philosophy. The foundations of which are of course the Opel compass, a very strong vertical and horizontal line that sets up the principles of the design of the front and the rear and also the interior of the cars we design. The extreme peak in the visor and hood really give the front a strong dynamic proportion. Now let's move around to the side. As you can see in the side view, the new Astra Sports Tourer has very sporty, low slung proportions. The longer wheelbase of about 6 centimeters gives us a lot more interior roominess, but it also helps to stretch the car visually. The roofline in black again helps to push the car down on the road, and this impression of pushing the car on the road is enhanced further by the very strong muscular wheel arches. The D-pillar is sporty and robust and again helps to give the car a forward motion. So now I'm going to show you another highlight of the new Astra Sports Tourer, the interior. So we call this our digital cockpit. It's fully networked and introduces a new Opel user interface where effectively the driver and passengers can create their own profiles. The pure panel consists of two 10-inch displays that are seamlessly integrated behind glass to give the impression of one flowing display. But it's not all digital. We also have intuitive switches for easy use, cleverly laid out underneath the main screen. Another highlight of the interior are of course the AGR certified ergo seats. We also designed the same principles of the compass to the rear of the Astra Sports Tourer. We see a strong vertical axis starting with the center high-mounted stoplight, going through to the camera and then down to the little chrome embellisher underneath the fog lamp. And then in terms of the horizontal axis, the LED signature lights aligning with the middle of our Blitz logo. And also we opted to put the Astra lettering in the middle of the car to again orientate it around the vertical compass. So let's have a closer look at the interior. With the tailgate open, this gives you access to up to 1,634 litres of storage capacity. The shade here stops prying eyes from looking in. We designed the floor to be flat and as low as possible. And then we have this special load, double load floor, which can be used in two positions, either angled like such to access any space needed underneath, or if you want to maximize the height of your storage, you can drop that all the way down flush, and this gives you, of course, ample height to play with. And there's another cool feature, so that you don't have to go around to the side door to fold down the seats. There's a release right here, and this gives you access, of course, to enormous additional storage for loading, especially long device elements into the car. And of course, the new Astra Sports Tourer is available with a full range of petrol and diesel engines, as well as powerful plug-in hybrid.